Wood furniture plays a pivotal role in home decor, serving not only as functional elements, but also as integral components of aesthetic expression. The natural warmth and beauty of wood create an inviting atmosphere that can transform a space, reflecting personal style while harmonizing with various design elements. This relationship between wood furniture and home decor is multifaceted, encompassing aspects of comfort, sustainability, and timelessness. The appeal of wood furniture begins with its inherent qualities. Each piece possesses unique grain patterns, textures, and colors, making wood a versatile choice for a wide range of interior styles. From the rustic charm of reclaimed barnwood to the sleek sophistication of polished walnut, the diversity in wood types allows homeowners to curate spaces that resonate with their individual tastes. This organic variability not only enhances the visual interest of a room, but also contributes to a sense of authenticity, as no two pieces are exactly alike. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of beautiful wood furniture ideas and wood decor pieces ideas to instantly change the look of your living spaces. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. In addition to its aesthetic qualities, wood furniture contributes significantly to the overall ambience of a home. The natural warmth of wood creates a cozy environment that invites relaxation and comfort. This is particularly important in living spaces where families gather and spend time together. The tactile nature of wood adds to this experience. Its smooth surfaces and natural textures invite touch, fostering a deeper connection between the furniture and its users. This sensory engagement enhances the overall experience of the space, making it feel more welcoming and intimate. Furthermore, wood furniture often serves as a focal point within a room, anchoring the overall design. A beautifully crafted wooden piece can draw the eye and set the tone for the space, influencing color palettes and complementary decor choices. For example, a striking wooden dining table can inspire the selection of tableware, lighting fixtures, and even artwork that surrounds it. This central role allows wood furniture to act as a unifying element in home decor, tying together various design components into a cohesive whole. The versatility of wood furniture extends to its ability to adapt to different styles and trends. As home decor evolves, so too does the role of wood furniture. In contemporary settings, for instance, minimalist designs often feature clean lines and simple forms, allowing the beauty of the wood itself to shine through. This minimalist approach emphasizes functionality while celebrating the material's natural characteristics. Conversely, in more traditional or eclectic spaces, ornate wooden furniture can add layers of richness and character, contributing to a sense of history and depth. Sustainability is another essential aspect of wood furniture that influences its role in home decor. As awareness of environmental issues grows, many homeowners are seeking eco-friendly options for their living spaces. Wood, particularly when sourced sustainably, is a renewable resource that can contribute to a more environmentally responsible lifestyle. Furniture made from reclaimed wood not only reduces waste, but also brings a sense of history and narrative into the home. This commitment to sustainability enhances the overall decor, aligning with a growing desire to create spaces that reflect personal values and environmental consciousness. Moreover, wood furniture often embodies timelessness, transcending fleeting design trends. While styles may come and go, well-crafted wooden pieces tend to endure, both in terms of durability and aesthetic appeal. This longevity makes wood furniture a wise investment, as it can be cherished and passed down through generations. The stories associated with these pieces, how they were acquired, the memories created around them, add sentimental value that enhances their role in home decor. As families grow and evolve, these pieces become part of the narrative of the home, enriching the living experience. In addition to its physical attributes, wood furniture carries cultural significance that can influence home decor. Different cultures have unique approaches to woodworking, resulting in a rich tapestry of styles and techniques. For instance, Scandinavian design emphasizes simplicity and functionality, often utilizing light woods to create airy, open spaces. In contrast, Asian-inspired decor may incorporate intricate carvings and darker woods, reflecting a deep appreciation for craftsmanship and tradition. By integrating wood furniture that reflects cultural heritage, homeowners can infuse their spaces with meaning and connection to their roots. The role of wood furniture in home decor also extends to its impact on mood and well-being. Studies have shown that natural materials, including wood, can positively affect mental health by reducing stress and promoting feelings of calm. The presence of wood in a living space can create a sense of grounding and stability, making it an excellent choice for areas designed for relaxation, such as bedrooms and living rooms. Additionally, the soothing visual appeal of wood can enhance the overall atmosphere, contributing to a harmonious environment that supports well-being. As technology advances, the intersection of wood furniture and modern design continues to evolve. Innovative manufacturing processes allow for new forms, shapes, and combinations of materials, resulting in unique pieces that challenge traditional notions of furniture design. For example, the integration of smart technology into wooden furniture can enhance functionality while maintaining the warmth and beauty of the material. This fusion of modernity and tradition creates opportunities for homeowners to embrace contemporary lifestyles without sacrificing the timeless appeal of wood. In the realm of home decor, the role of wood furniture is not limited to its physical presence. It also influences the way we interact with our spaces. A well-designed wooden piece encourages social interaction, whether it's a dining table that hosts family gatherings or a coffee table that invites conversation over drinks. This relational aspect of wood furniture fosters connections between people and their environments, making it an essential component of a home's emotional landscape. The adaptability of wood furniture also allows it to evolve with changing needs and lifestyles. As families grow or downsize, wooden pieces can often be reconfigured or repurposed to suit new circumstances. A sturdy wooden bookshelf, for instance, can transition from a display of books to a showcase for cherished photographs or mementos. This flexibility enhances the investment value of wood furniture, as it can be tailored to fit various phases of life, ensuring that it remains relevant and functional over time. Furthermore, wood furniture often serves as a canvas for personalization, allowing homeowners to express their individuality. Customization options, such as selecting finishes, stains, and hardware, enable people to create pieces that resonate with their unique tastes. This personalization not only enhances the decor, but also fosters a sense of ownership and pride in one's living space. By choosing wood furniture that reflects personal style, homeowners can create an environment that feels truly their own. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked, beautiful wood furniture ideas and wood decor pieces ideas to instantly change the look of your living spaces. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We'll look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.